We shall discuss the short story "And of Clay Are We Created," written by Isabel Allende, who is a Chilean journalist. And this story is about she being a journalist, her husband Rolf Carley, going to capture on video, going to shoot a girl, Azucena Lily, who is in the mud pit. Like many people are there in the mud pit because of a natural disaster, and then this girl is sinking down, and then she is seen on the TV screen, and he has gone to video shoot that, to take a documentary or to take a video of that, and to somehow rescue her and all. So she was in the mud pit, and then it was such a kind of situation where even doctors are helpless. They were amputating legs and all without even anesthesia, and they were asking at least for some painkillers, and then nothing was being heard. And then he was and our writer Isabel could see her husband. Like it has been so many days that he has gone. She could see him on national television, and then Rolf Carley became acquainted with this girl Azucena Lily, who is in the mud pit, and he tried every best but then could not retrieve her. They needed a pump. They had requested it to the government, and all the government officials, they were saying so many things, but they were not even sending that one single pump that they were asking. So with the days he grew beard, and then whatever food he got, he gave it to her, and then there was drizzling. It used to drizzle that time. This man Rolf Carley was reminded of his sister Katharina, and then he could feel one with Azucena, her pain, because even he is feeling pain being in the harness. He can also feel the pain that she has, and then he used to, like, slowly he became close to her, because not to give up her, like she should not give up, right? And for her not to give up, he used to continuously talk to her, converse one or another thing, and continuously keeping her alive, responding and all. So at night he used to sing Austrian folk songs which he had heard from his mother, and then he could feel one with her, and at the end, like, there was no hope for her to rescue, and then she herself told him that it is so sad for her that she did not have a lover even, and then she did not even enjoy any moment such like that. And then he kissed her on her forehead, okay, and then slowly she succumbed to death, but because there was no other way to rescue her, so she slowly succumbed to death. And the writer says, Isabel Allende says, that he is back with her, but he is not with her. His mind is completely in a trauma, thinking about Azucena Lily. He's lost, actually. He's lost in the thoughts of her and the moments spent with her. And then the story ends with Isabel telling that once you are out from your nightmares, I hope that we will hold hands together and walk together. So that is how the story ends, and which gives a very different view, a very different outlook of a situation that can happen there. Often we see in our TV, we see many situations like this. Many are caught in the mud pit, and there was like some children are lost in the borewell, like some children have fallen in the borewell, and we constantly go through those feedback. But what about those people who are in the rescue operation? What are their feelings? It is being said, it is being stressed on in this particular work. Okay, so I hope this story, of course I cannot say that you enjoyed this story. I suppose you like this story. Okay, thank you. Before we end the video, let us see the title of this particular short story, "And of Clay Are We Created." Now, this "And of Clay Are We Created," this story is of Azucena Lily, who is like drowning or sinking down the mud pit. Okay, so "And of clay are we created." We are made, we can have different interpretations about that. First of all, we are made out of clay, and then we will die, and we become dust, right? And it can also be a portrayal of this character Rolf Carley, because he is after all a man. And of clay are we created. He is after all a man. like he cannot get out of that emotions that he had for this girl, or he cannot get out of the thoughts of this girl, of whatever happened, those incidents, he could not get out of that. So hand of clay are we created, we are all human, and we have all those limitations, like sometimes we cannot, things are not in our hand, so it can also be interpreted in that way. Anyway, when you study the story, you can have your own interpretations about the title, about the significance of the title. Okay, thank you.